Dear students, I would like to start today's class with these thoughts. Thought: there are no traffic jams on the extra mile. There are no traffic jams on the extra mile. It means that there is no substitute of hard work in life. So you are advised to do work hard. Standard 9 subject social science history, and today's chapter is chapter 4. Did woman have a revolution? Before starting this chapter, I want to show you one figure. Students, this figure shows Persian women on their way to Versailles. From very beginning, the women in France were very active participants in the French Revolution. Their activity brought many revolutionary changes in the society of France. They hoped the revolutionary government, means during the Jacobin government, would take some effective measures to improve their lives, because most of women in the third estate had to work for living. They worked as seamstress, laundress. They sold fruits, flowers, vegetables in the markets. They were employed as domestic servant in the wealthier section of the society. They didn't have access to education. Only the girls of clergy and nobility, means wealthier section of society, had to access the education. And thereafter marriage was arranged for them, their parents. And the working woman had also to care for their family, that is cooking, fetching water, queue up for bread, look after the children, and very important, their wages were lower than those of men. Very important point. Their wages were lower than those of men. So, in order to discuss and voice their interest, women started their own political clubs and newspaper, and there about 60 clubs were formed, and one of them, the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women, was the most famous of them. And the main demand of the women were women enjoyed the same political rights as men. These were the main demands of the women, revolutionary women. Women enjoy the same political right as men, the right to vote, to be elected to the assembly, and to hold political offices. They felt by this they could make place their identity in the French society. And laws introduced by revolutionary government. Schooling was made compulsory for all girls. Marriage was made into contract, entered into freely and registered under civil law. Divorce was made legal, and both men and women could apply for this. Women's struggle for equal political rights, however, continued. During the reign of terror, many clubs were banned and many prominent women were arrested and number of them executed under the reign of terror. So students, women's movement for voting right and equal wages continued next 200 years in the country of the world. 5-4 vote was carried out through international suffrage movement in the late 19th and early 20th century in the revolutionary years, and examples of political activities in the French Revolution was kept alive as an inspiring memory, and finally it was in 1946 the women in France won the right to vote. This is the chapter, Did Women Have a Revolution? A question: Did women have a revolution in 1789 and after it? So chapter is completed. Thanks.